Six amazing psychological facts that will blow your mind. We all wear masks when someone is watching a man. He pretends to wear a mask. Many studies have shown that when a person finds out that he is being watched, he behaves well, but that person behaves completely differently when he thinks that no one is watching him. Pretended often confused. Human has a tendency to trust people who look good. It is a human nature that accept a well-dressed man than a shabby looking man, even if the good looking person is insecure. You can only remember 3 to 4 things at a time, although you may think that you can remember a dozen things at once, but the fact is that you can actually remember only 3 to 4 things at a time. Trying to focus on a dozen things at once is a waste of time. Lack of low self-esteem in humans degrades others. Humans with low self-esteem spontaneously encourage people to treat them poorly, and people who lack self-confidence and are not confident about themselves, they blame others for their failure and try to humiliate others. Must restore confidence from abusive behavior. Many of us believe that it is right to say negatively about others, while this type of behavior is not associated with our honor or belief. However, the fact is that when we offend others, it helps restore our confidence, self-belief, and respect, and rebuild our self-esteem. Task complexity affects the decision and choice. This is a human tendency that when work seems complicated, he leaves it in the middle. If a person is given to choice between range of products for his household needs, and in this case he experiences complexity, he will surely finish everything before buying anything.